for Android and can be downloaded from Google Play Store. After downloading and installation, enter your mobile number. The mobile number present in the Casper system will be the username for logging in. Click on Continue for the OTP. Once the OTP is received, click on Submit. After the OTP process is complete, the Wishmaster should accept the run sheet or pickup sheet assigned to start the delivery process. Let us observe and understand some of the tabs and links on this page. The red tab CPD signifies that this is a priority shipment. Each customer's name and delivery address is visible. Also, a special mention, 11 shipments. These are those shipments which have to be delivered before the designated time showing in the app. Next, clicking on the blue diamond arrow link shows the navigation to the customer's location through Google Maps. You can also swipe right to request the customer's current location. In this screenshot, you can see a single customer with multiple shipments. Alternate phone option will be visible if the customer has multiple numbers. However, the phone numbers will not be visible. And now, let's begin with the forward delivery process. To begin with, click on the scan to scan the shipment. Then, you may scan the barcode or the QR code of the shipment being delivered. Manually enter the shipment ID in case the scan fails. Last 6 digits of the order ID or the shipping ID in case the barcode scanning fails. After delivery, you will come to something called payment options. The following options are available. The customer can pay by cash or pay by link called M-Swipe. They can also do a QR code payment known as Web Pay. They can do online payment or an invoice pay. Click on Generate Link to send the SMS to the customer mobile number. The SMS will be sent to the registered mobile number of the customer on which the OFD SMS was received. Once the link is generated and sent to the customer, it will show the same message has been sent. This is a sample link message which the customer will receive in his or her registered mobile number. The above screen is visible to the customer upon successful payment. Wait for the customer confirmation on the payment. Once the customer confirms, click on Verify Payment. In case the customer's payment has not been made or was not successful, a message like "Sorry, not paid" will be displayed on the screen as shown. Remember, do not deliver the shipments unless it shows successfully paid. For successful payments, payment successful will be displayed and continue will get highlighted at the bottom of the screen to proceed with the delivery. After the successful payment, the Wishmaster can trigger the payment details to the customer by clicking on Resend Charge Slip. Next, click on QR and Others Web Pay and then click on Take Payment. Once you do that, a timer will start with 190 seconds. The QR code will automatically close with either a success or a fail message as soon as the app receives the status. Wait for the QR code screen till the timer becomes 0. As you can see, the payment has failed and eCart has not received the money. Once again, in such cases, do not hand over the shipment to the customer. Remember, if it shows payment status pending, it means eCart has not received the money. Wait for 2 minutes and then keep clicking Verify Payment until you receive either a success or a fail message. If you are not receiving a success or fail, wait for 2 to 3 minutes and click again on Verify Payment. Click on Take Payment to generate a new QR code. The receiver's details has to be updated as per the available options on your app. And the customer's signature has to be taken on the last update screen and click on Complete Delivery. Now what happens in case you have to reject the shipments? Click on the reject icon. Select the reason for making the shipment as undelivered. Mark the undelivered process for rejecting the shipments. It is important that you choose the right reason. Let us have a look at some scenarios in which the customer can reject the order. To begin with, when the customer does not want the order. Next, when the customer has confirmed that he or she is not available to take the product. And finally, the customer has confirmed that he or she is not ready with the cash. Now that you're finished with forward delivery, we shall look at reverse, also known as RVP, which stands for reverse pickup. Once again, you may start the process by accept run sheet to start. The number of shipments that have to be picked up in this run sheet will show and the customer details. Select the customer from whom the shipment has to be picked up. Click on Verify. For pass or fail checks, click on the appropriate button. For text input checks, enter the last 3 digits of the checkbox. Please pick up once a verification is done. Ask for the receiver's signature and your pickup is now complete. Once a verification is complete, it will show as completed status on the shipment scan. A pickup failed scenario. Select the customer from whom the shipment should be picked. The error message in case of validation fails. The failed message when the pass or fail check fails. As you can see over here, it is showing the verification has failed. Also, not picked message is shown and you can click on submit, showing the failed status in the shipment screen. Now let's just look at some scenarios concerning rejecting the pickup shipments. The RVP shipment can be cancelled by selecting reject all or the X icon. Reject all will mark the shipments for the customers are not picked up with the reason given by the user. The list of reasons are shown and please select the appropriate reason when you say reject all. Now we come to replacement. To begin with, as always, accept the run sheet and start your delivery. Once you do that, accept the run sheet containing the Prexo or replacement shipments. Information displaying the number of replacement or Prexo will show up. The RVP and forward legs of the shipment forward will be disabled until the RVP is complete. Now we come to scanning of shipments. Scan the barcode or the QR code of a shipment being delivered. The forward leg of replacement or Prexo shipments is shown as scanned. Payment options for the forward leg of the shipment. Capturing the receiver's details. Select self and it will not ask for other details. The receiver's details will be asked if someone else is collecting on the receiver's behalf. Receiver's details and tracking ID information, and finally signature of the receiver. Now we come to replacement rejection reasons. This is important. The reasons are available when the user clicks on X icon for reverse shipments. The reasons are available when the user selects reject all icon for RVP shipment. Forward shipment will be RTO if the RVP leg of the shipment is cancelled. And now we come to OBD shipments, also known as open box delivery. To identify if the shipment is OBD, look for the OBD flag. First, scan the shipment. Then, click on consent button to start the process. Enter the last 4 digits of the customer's mobile number. Click on proceed to finish the consent capture. Please be aware, consent once taken can't be changed. Open the Flipkart packaging and check for major damage to the brand packaging. Click on pass if everything is okay and click pictures of the brand packaging. Check if the product description matches and then click on confirm if everything is okay. Verify all the checks and move to the OTP screen and then enter the customer's OTP. We are nearly at the end and here we come to run sheet closure. Click on start run sheet closure once all the tasks are completed for a given run sheet. Click yes to start the run sheet closure and then you will see the completed run sheet screen. Congratulations! You are now aware of the full navigation of the Fildx app.